Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Josh Tech. So today I'm supposed to be deploying this device, but unfortunately I don't have a POE. Neither do I have a POE injector. So I'm just trying to think of how can I power this device without using POE, because it's an urgent job and I have to do it. I've come up with the conclusion that I can make my manual POE so that at least I'm going to save the cost, and at the same time it's much more simple. So I've thought that is a very good idea so that we can work it together. So what am I going to do? It's very simple. I'm just going to, this one is a Cat 6 cable. Cat 6 cable normally has 8 cables inside. So these 8 cables, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to clamp one side. One side I'm going to clamp all the 8 cables. Then the other side I'm going to clamp 4 cables. Then the remaining 2 cables, the remaining 4 cable, I will divide them into 2 pairs. One I'm going to get the positive, and the other one I'm going to get the negative. So let us start. And before we continue, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Josh Tech, so that whenever I upload any new content, you'll be the first one to grasp. The first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to strip it. I'm going to strip it. So I strip one side. I strip the other side. Okay. Then after stripping, so you are seeing this cat 6 cable or any LAN cable, it has 8 cable. So there is a orange, which is combined with the light orange and orange. Then there is brown, which is combined with brown and light brown. Then there is blue, light blue, and also there is a green, light green. So what you are going to do with this one, it's very simple. So you are seeing, like, first I have to cut this part. This one is cat 6. So you cut that one. Then this side I'm going to clamp it normal. So I'm going to use all the 8 cables, and it's the one which is going to connect to our access point. This one is our access point. This one is our access point. So what I'm going to do, you arrange it. You know, the advantage of this one is that it's going to cut down the cost of using, instead of using the normal POE, you can use a manual POE. So you start with the brown, light brown, then you come to green, dark green, then you come to blue, then there's light blue, okay. Then you come with I use the standard clamping, the standard color code. That's what I'm using. I hope you can view them. You can view it the way it is. Okay. I'm looking for RJ. Oh, okay. I have here another. Then you confirm if all of them are. You know, you have to get your clamping right, because if you don't get it right, it's not going to work. So I can confirm. I see there is brown, light brown. Then there is green. Then there is light blue, light green, orange, and then there is light orange. So it's okay. So okay. This one is just, I use just a normal clamping. It's a normal. I've used a normal color code and I've clamped all of them. Eight. There are 8 wires which I've clamped inside, copper wire. Then you come to the other side. The other side I'm going to clamp 4. So 4, I'm going to use the one for internet. The one which normally supply internet is like there's a orange and green. So those are the one which I'm going to use. Then the other one, I'm going to use it for power purpose. So I'm just going to cut this side like that. Okay, so I've remained with 4 cables this side. So I've remained with the orange and green. So those are the one which I'm going to clamp this side. So this one now I've started with the opposite. I'm clamping opposite. So I'm starting with the light orange. Then there's orange. Then I come to light green. Then it's like I'm going to jump virtually. It's like just a VPN. So I'm jumping virtually. So I have to make sure that this green comes to, when you clamp it, when you put it in, when you insert it inside the RJ, it should come to port number 3. Yeah. Okay, so there's an arrangement which I've done. You follow, it's just a continuity. So there's light brown, there's light orange, then dark orange, then light green, then green. So you set it in your RJ. So you make sure that green, dark green, it should go to the slot number 3. Then, so slot number 1 you have jumped, slot number 2 you have jumped, slot number 3 there is port number, there is a green, color green. Then you jump number 4, number 5, then number 6 there is light green, then there is orange, and you finish with port number 8, which is supposed to be light. It's supposed to be light orange. Then you confirm if you are right. Okay, I've confirmed it. I'm right. So now you clamp it like that. So it's very simple like that. So now for me to bring the power, I want to bring the power. So I've clamped. One side is complete. The other side, I've used only 4 cables. So this side I've used 8. The other side I've used 4. That's what I've done here. So you can confirm and see if you are done with internet, because that one is like I'm supplying internet for data. Okay, let me do it with LAN test and see. So I expect number 1, 2, 3. Then it should jump to number 6. That's what I expect. So if I run my test, let me see. So I can see 1 is okay, 3 is okay, 4. Is it really working? Really? It doesn't work right. Yeah, so crossover. So there's something here I'm seeing. It's giving me a crossover. Okay, so this one is just like, it has its own issues. Yeah, so it's giving me, I don't see this. Okay, so it's just giving me its own things. But what normally happens, this my LAN test is like it has a problem, so I cannot use it. It's not giving me the right information. There's another LAN test which I have. So that one, I think the batteries are low. That's why it's not giving me the correct information. So if you come, let us just continue. Because if I look at it, when I look at it, I can see that it's just okay. When I look at it, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. So the next step, I come to the side which is not complete. Come this side, which is not complete. Okay, so I identify the port where I want my nini to be, my power to be. So I've just clipped it, just pull it like that. Then I look for, I'm looking for brown. I'm going to use brown, the cable brown. Because you know brown, I had cut it. So I just pull it. So you're seeing I'm pulling it out. Like that. I pull the brown. Then I pull also blue. Like that. I just pull the blue. Then I stripped. So it's okay. So I can pull it back like that so that it can look nicely. Then I can strip this one. So I'm stripping the orange, I'm stripping the brown. Strip the brown. Like that. Then I stripped blue. This one is called a stripper. If you don't know its work, it's just for stripping. Okay, so like that. So this one I want now to use the power. That's what I'm doing. So from there, what I do is that I get my adapter. This is the adapter which I'm going to use. And it's good if you can use over 12 volts. The range of between 12 and 24 is accepted, provided you know what you are going to power. Yeah. So this one is my 24. This one is my 12 volts adapter. Because I have a job for this one, this other part, I'm going to cut it into two. I'm going to divide it at that point. Let me continue kiasi. So I'm going to put it somewhere there. That one is okay. Because this one is going to give me internet. Yeah. Okay. So I just cut it. Cut it like that. Then I come and so I've cut it like that. Then I stripped also this side. Oh, this one is not made to strip this type of cable. It's not meant to strip this type of cable. That's why it's disturbing me. Then my expectation is that one is supposed to be positive, the other one is supposed to be negative. So if you look at this one, you will notice that the one which is black, okay, that one I'll be just over exaggerating, but let me try and see. So what happened, for me to know my positive and negative, I come and open this one is my access point which I'm going to use. Okay, so I inject this side, which is the one which is complete. The side which has 8 terminals is the one which I injected to my access point. Like that, I injected it to my access point. Then this side is supposed to come with the data, and this one is for the power. That is what I've done. So what happened, I put this one. I have to put it into switch and see if it's going to give me. Okay, I've just injected it to the power. So from there, I come and test. So I know one is supposed to be positive, the other one is supposed to be negative. If I get it right, it's going to light. Yeah, I'm seeing it's lighting. So the one which has white is the one which is positive, and the one which is black is negative. Yeah, it's lighting. So if you look at the blue light, it's already lighting. So with that, you are seeing I've powered my Rpoe. I've powered my Rpoe. So I remove the cable, I remove my adapter because I've got it right. So I remove the adapter. I've removed my adapter. Then I join it complete, because I've noticed that the one which it's white stripped, that one is the positive one. So the positive one is supposed to be connected to blue. Then the one which is black, that's the negative, is supposed to be connected to the brown. So let me cut it nicely. Like that. Then with that, I just close it here nicely so that it looks professional. Or you can just inject it, you can put it inside here. So this is what I'm doing. I put it there inside nicely like that. Then the other one also I run it like that. Then I come and inject it there. Or this one I can close it there. Then this one is a mask tape which I'm going to use. And you know the goodness with this one, you can use it also as just a normal POE. So you're seeing I've closed it. So this side also, I do the same. Like that. So I have now my manual POE. This is my manual POE. So one side comes with the adapter and the RJ like that. But it's I've claimed 4 parts on 4 sides only, like that. Then the other side comes when it's complete. It comes like when it's complete. So I want to test it and see if the data is working. If the data is working, then it will show me that port number 2. I'll see port number 2 blinging, and also the power part. So let us see. And I want to give it also internet, so that it can come with the internet. And I see if I'm having internet. Like that. So just a minute. Like that. Let me give it internet and see if it's going to work. So let me see, is it really working? Yeah, it's working. So I can see there's 2 lights here. If you look at it, if you're keen, you'll see. So there are 2 lights. There's a red light, and also there's power. So I'm done. As simple as that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can be bringing more updates like this one. Otherwise, thumb up.